Hello, good morning. Thanks for joining to this video. And and this week, I'm going to explain you what we are going to do in this week. You know, we are we are going to talk about technology, as you can see here. This one is the name of our uh, that we are going to be talking this week. So, introduction to technology. Well, your first assignment is gonna be these three questions, and that you have to answer. And it doesn't need to be so extended, and you can um, look in internet about the answer. So it says here, this is the instruction that you need to follow. After the class ends, you have to make research about what technology is and in which fields you can apply it. You have to be creative. Also, you can use images. Please avoid plagiarism. I'll be checking out all your answers. So you you are going to answer the question that I already read, and please, I'm gonna be checking all your answer. If I find that I mean if you look in internet, you will not maybe you will have the same answers, but I need you to be creative. I need you to use your own words if you can. And yeah, that's the first point that we're going to do. You're going to do. Now here we have a little document. You have to click on here to read it, and it is about technology as well. So it is our topic for this week. So here is like the information that we're going to be using, and this is how this is maybe like the most important thing that I took from the topic. And wait, I'm having problems with my computer. So here is the information you need to read. And yeah, that's gonna be our information for this week. Now let's go back our here. Here you have another assignment, which is this question: do you think technology is important? You are going to answer this question with your own words, at least 100 words. It doesn't matter if you what I want you to do is analyze the text, this one, and then you can give me the answer to this question. And I mean, I don't need like a professional. I mean, I just want you to know what do you think about the technology, and why do you think technology is important. Here we have a complementary resource. You're going to This is a video about evolution of technology. It lasts 3 minutes, and you can watch it if you want. And there are the most important evolution, and the most important things that happen through time and until today. And the final things that you're going to do is a little quiz. It is a blank quiz, and you are going to you're going to answer this question. The first one is, what is technology? You're going to write down here what is technology. You can look in internet for the answer of the meaning of technology, of what is technology. Then how do you use technology in your daily life? It is a personal answer. For example, we need technology in like our phones every day, because we need to communicate with our families, friends, and maybe our boss. Then the answer that I want here is, how do you use technology in your life? Now, how technology have changed the world. It is of as well your personal opinion about how technology have changed the world. There are so many developments that have helped us to improve our way to make our things. For example, the computer, it helped us to um to make our things fast, our document fast, rather than writing. So here it is a multiple choice question. Why are the greatest companies? Which are the greatest companies of technology? We have here Apple, Tesla, Microsoft, Google, and all of them. You can choose the ones you want. And the final question is, if you have to choose a technological resource to use for the rest of your life, which would it be and why? You have, hypothetically, you're going to choose just one technological resource. It could be a computer, a cell phone, a smartphone. And why would you choose that resource? So, and that's all that we are going to do in this week. So if you have questions, you know where to find me. So have a nice week, and we'll be in touch. Bye bye.